Direct replacement. This dome light lens is made to match the fit and performance of the original lens on specific vehicle applications. Restores functionality. Built to restore the appearance and function of a cloudy, missing or broken lens. Durable construction. This part is made from quality materials to ensure reliable performance and long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This dome light lens is designed to match the appearance and function of the original lens on specified applications. Made of quality materials, it is engineered for reliable performance and durability. Top reviews from the United States. Fit like the original. My truck is old, so some of its parts are toasted and just by touching them they fall apart. I am just glad that sometimes I find the right part and it goes on as if it was an original.